Hello everyone, it's me again. I've got a broken Switch. I'll show you what's going on. So we've got one of the Joy-Cons here, the red one in particular, which is connecting but not staying connected to the console. You can see it there. So first test, grab a test Joy-Con, throw that one on, that one's staying connected. So what that tells me is this rail in the Joy-Con needs swapping with this rail in the broken Joy-Con. To get to the rail, we've just got 4 screws. They're tri-wing 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we get those undone. They're undone, and just slide your fingernail around the back. As you can see, first things first, let's get the battery out. To do that, just slide a spudger underneath it. It's just on a connector, just on a small connector there on the board. So that's that. Then we've got 1, 2, 3 Phillips screws that I need to remove. Being very gentle with this bracket, just fold it over. And then there's this connector and this connector, so just flip that white latch up, flip that black latch up, pull them out gently. I'll go ahead and do the same thing with this donor controller and then come back to you when that's ready to go. So this is the working rail that we want. The black bit is the bit that's no good. So what I'll do, I'll just remove that screw there. That screw there and the screw on the back. So that is our faulty one, but the only bit that's faulty is the actual black bit of the rail itself. So we'll keep that board. We're going to put that board on here. We'll get rid of that one. The trials and tribulations of being a tech. Just get that lined up so I can get one screw in. You know, as a small time YouTuber, the one thing I've learned is if you want something to go wrong, hit the record button. However, we now have a complete Joy-Con with the black bit actually working. So for the hell of it, let's just get this back together. Just poke that spring back down in there. They have a habit of wanting to jump about. As you've seen, these ribbons are a little bit flimsy. They can cause you some problems. Let's try and get this ribbon sat in its home without breaking it. Fold that latch down. Do the same for the white one. Make sure those are seated. And then reverse the process. 3 bronze screws, gold, bronze, the ones that aren't silver. Put those in there. The battery can be a little bit tricky. You see the connector on the board. You just need to try and get the connector on the battery connected. Don't use anything metal for this. It is a battery. The antenna, and it has a home there, and then that should now go back together. Tri-wing screws in the back, don't forget those. What I should have said earlier was, before I got to this point, I did try cleaning the pins on both the rail and the switch with IPA, 99.9% IPA. Sometimes that can solve this issue, the intermittent connection issue. In this case, it was a hardware issue, so we needed to swap out the rail completely. We just get these last couple of screws in place. Fantastic. Bring our switch back, make sure that connects. That connects. Have we got any disconnections? We don't. Good. That's quick. Down and dirty fix. If you've got an issue like this one, you're not comfortable sorting it yourself, by all means, contact details for us will be in the description below. We do accept mailing. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share the video, drop us a comment, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.